Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Luke, I'm your digital concierge here at Gramophone. And today we're going to be looking at this JBL PartyBox 310. That's going to be a big party. Being the newest member of JBL's PartyBox lineup, the big 310 here is set to become the ultimate portable party machine. So let's dive in. But before we do that, guys, don't you miss out. Subscribe to the Gramophone channel and make sure you click that bell notification icon. That way you don't miss out on any of our other upcoming product highlights, because we've got a lot of great stuff planned. This is capable of 240 watts of output, which is some serious power, especially out of a portable, and don't forget, battery-powered speaker. That's pretty nuts. That's driving two 6.5-inch woofers on two 2.5-inch tweeters. So you're going to get full range sound out of this guy, and it's going to deliver for 18 hours straight on battery power. It's also IPX4 rated, so it is splash proof, so it's safe to use this poolside. And of course, it's built around JBL's own vocal tuning, going for that JBL Pro sound we all know and love from their party-oriented products. But by far, the best feature on the PartyBox 310 is it's got sound effects. This has got some sweet stuff going on, as you can see already by those LED lights that sync up and vibe with your music and have a couple different preset functions. Another thing I really like about it is the telescopic handle. You can pull this out as if it were a suitcase and drag this thing around on these soft touch rear wheels, and it glides around nicely rather than having to carry this heavy box. On the rear, it's ported for even more bass energy, and hiding under a little panel on the back are all your controls for things like plugging in guitars or microphones or controlling the gain of the drivers. Really handy things hidden in the back here behind a waterproof door, as well as a charging port on the back, also behind a waterproof door. The primary control buttons on the top are backlit, so you can easily find them and control this in the night. Also, this has silicone pads on each of the sides, so you can lay it horizontally and it will stay in place with stability. And you got that bulky amplifier weight to keep it held down, so it's not going nowhere. Overall, the visual design of this thing is just as loud as it sounds. And I really like what they did with the grill here. It's nice and solid. You're never gonna have to worry about this getting scratched up or ripped because it's not a fabric. And this triangle perforations that they've cut into it, I really like those. This little slot cut into the top where you can easily store your Bluetooth device, be it phone, tablet, whatever. So it stays safe and secure and easily accessible for controlling your music. You can pull a cover off the bottom here and mount it on a personalized speaker stand like you see a lot of pro audio speakers on. So you can actually use this as a PA system like so. Going on that note, you can connect two 1/4-inch inputs for guitars or other instruments and microphones. This is also Bluetooth enabled, has an auxiliary input in, as well as a USB input in. And I would recommend using the USB from your phone or tablet for the highest sound quality if possible. With the JBL PartyBox app, you can do things like control the light settings, change the volume, skip tracks, control some of the tone features, and access other features built into the PartyBox, all from the convenience of your phone. So definitely grab that app if you're thinking about picking up this speaker. They are made for each other, literally. And lastly, this works with JBL's TWS, True Wireless Stereo. You get two of these bad boys and sync them up, now you have a true stereo setup. And I'd highly recommend doing that, because once you've heard anything in stereo, you ain't going back. Seriously, just imagine two of these things, 240 watts, just hitting you. You want that. For just under $500, the JBL PartyBox 310 is the life of your party. With all of its connection options, the ability to run karaoke and instruments, this is the mobile entertainment center that can. So what you can do is head on over to skybygramophone.com, where you can pick up one of these PartyBox beasts and receive it fast and free straight to your door after a secure checkout. And you should really get two of them. Also, be sure to stop by and visit us at one of our showroom locations. We'd love to see you over at Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. And be sure to pay a visit to our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland as well. If you guys need any help with project ideas, if you need to schedule a service request, or you'd like to speak to one of our hi-fi home theater and interior design experts, get yourself inspired at Gramophone.com. And if you have any questions for me personally about any of the things that I've covered on this channel, I would love to help you out. Ask at Gramophone.com. Alright guys, you know what's up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that notification bell, by the way, for all of your audio and home theater needs. And I want to hear from you. What do you think of the PartyBox 310? What do you want to see from us in the future? And as always, thank you for watching, and be seeing you. Alright, now get out of here.